There was tents all along here that were popping up like mushrooms. Now I would stay in here on and off. I'd jump over the wall up here, and we'd say the third tree in, I'd pitch a tent there. No, it's not your ordinary tour. It's about highlighting the homeless issue, showing the different contrasts with people wouldn't see every day. I bring them down by the Capuchin Day Centre. I bring them past a few homeless hostels, and I explain what way life is in the homeless hostels, the different categories of homeless hostels. Some are nighttime only hostels, some are 6-month beds, and I do tell them a bit about that, because people don't get to talk to anybody on the streets. They don't really connect with anybody on the streets. And the most important thing about this tour is just giving me a chance to connect with people, because I was disconnected for years. I spent 7 years on the streets in homeless hostels. And for me, I call this hostel the last stop. I've seen gentlemen in there, and it doesn't seem that I was going to progress anywhere else in life. They would have a long, long history of rough sleeping and serious mental and physical health problems. People don't get the chance to talk to somebody when they see them in a sleeping bag. They don't know what's going on for them. They don't know where they're coming from. The order of the day is to get through the day. The only contact I had was agencies, food halls, soup runs, sometimes even down to getting a sleeping bag. Around the corner you have hundreds of people queuing every day for food, for dinners. 700 meals a day they give out. You can even go in there for a shower in the morning and get a bit of breakfast for the long day ahead on the streets, and ring the free phone number for another bed that night, and you don't know are you getting a bed or not. I had to do a bit of research in the bedroom, done a bit of study around the history and that, but the most important thing is highlighting the homeless and just telling a bit of my own story. It's given me a chance to connect with people and build my confidence and skills to progress and move on in life. Thanks to Secret Street Tours for giving me this opportunity to share my story and to build my confidence. And looking to the future, I'm going back to adult education in September, and I'm still on the social housing waiting list. And all I want is something simple where I can bring my son up from Cork and just sit down and watch a bit of telly with him. Something simple like that. Not a big house on the hill, you know, just something simple, have a game of football with him. Simple things. So I thank you all for coming along today. Thanks.